So back in February I acquired another set, and it went away for quite a while. Due to some work in the house, I've actually bought it out for a little bit, and I intend to put it somewhere in the house at some point. But just want to introduce you to my monster, not this one here. Let's move you out the way. And I think the best way to introduce it is with a jolly song. Chonky, chonky, chonky sets, do-do-do. 26-inch 540X, oh yes, it's a Bang Olufsen 8902 stereo television set, complete with Peritel vision socket and other stuff on the back, and stereo sound, and this absolutely gorgeous 26-inch A66 540X tube. Look at that. What a beast. This is my third one now. For some reason I keep getting rid of them, and then I regret getting rid of them and then reacquire them. So this one is, I think this is the rosewood finish. It comes with a black Mars bar. So it's the same finish as my 7702. It's one of the later ones because it has the SCART socket and the digital tuner. And the tube itself is in good shape. My friend Jan, all he's done with it is just give it a balance and also a thorough recap of some of the sort of particular problem areas, particularly the power supply, which has a load of those orange capacitors that they say you should get rid of, and a few other little bits and pieces. But I've got to be honest, I'm really pleased with it. I love these sets. I don't know why. They're just really so ostentatious. Particularly love sets of this era, and it has one of my favourite tubes in it as well, the A66 540X. In fact, the 540X series of tubes, they are superb. I'm not going to beat about the bush. I think we've sort of reached a pinnacle of tube technology at this point, and sort of Trinitrons of this era and also this particular tube generation was, in my view, a bit of a high point. But there we go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that silly little sketch. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Doing a video if I don't actually, test that it's working okay. So, let's check. Yeah, that seems fine. No problems with that at all. Let's go and fetch something to feed into it, such as a DVD player. Let's have it playing a period title, Miami Vice. Obviously the flicker is on the camera, not on the actual picture itself, but the picture is looking absolutely superb. These sets never fail to impress me, they really don't. That's better. Whip up the brightness and contrast a little bit. And there we go, I think the cat jumping up, opportune moment to stop the video. So, that's the 8902 in action. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.